Before you chase success, stop and ask yourself one question. What would my life look like if I finally took control? Most people drift through life, reacting, hoping, wishing. But Jim Rohn taught us that success isn't magic, and it isn't luck. It's built, brick by brick, principle by principle. And in this video, you're going to discover the timeless foundations that have helped millions transform their future. So stay with me until the end, because the last principle may be the one thing standing between you and the life you've always imagined. 1. The power of personal philosophy. Your personal philosophy is the invisible architect behind every result you experience in life. Jim Rohn said, "Your philosophy determines your attitude determines your actions, and your actions determine your results." This means that long before your life changes externally, something must shift internally. Your beliefs, your standards, your interpretations, your expectations. The life you are living today is not an accident. It is simply the sum of the thoughts, assumptions, and habits you have repeated for years, some consciously, but most unconsciously. Every choice you have made, every opportunity you pursued or ignored, every discipline you practiced or avoided, flowed from the beliefs you held at the time. If you want new results, you must adopt a new philosophy, one built on discipline, curiosity, humility, and personal responsibility. A philosophy that says, "If it is to be, it is up to me." Most people wait for circumstances to change before they change their mindset, not realizing that the mindset itself is what creates new circumstances. When you believe you can grow, you take actions that lead to growth. When you believe opportunities are everywhere, you suddenly notice possibilities that were invisible before. When you believe you are responsible for your life, you stop blaming luck, the past, or other people, and you start building intentionally. Every achievement is a reflection of a philosophy that supports achievement. Every failure repeated is a reflection of a philosophy that tolerates excuses or avoids responsibility. The difference between someone who transforms their life and someone who remains stuck is not talent, intelligence, or resources. It is the philosophy they choose to live by. A strong personal philosophy becomes your internal guide, your compass, your filter. It influences how you speak to yourself, how you respond to challenges, how you value your time, how you treat others, and how you interpret setbacks. With the right philosophy, obstacles become lessons, failures become data, and challenges become training. With the wrong philosophy, obstacles become excuses, failures become identity, and challenges become reasons to quit. The beauty of personal philosophy is that it is fully within your control. You can rewrite it, reshape it, upgrade it at any moment. You can choose to believe that discipline matters, that growth is possible, that your future is malleable. You can choose to think in ways that energize you rather than drain you. You can choose to adopt beliefs that lead you toward your goals rather than away from them. Success begins in the mind long before it shows up in reality. Results follow rules, and those rules are encoded in your philosophy. If you want a better life, start by building a better inner world. Think differently, and eventually, everything in your outer world will begin to change. 2. Discipline, the foundation of achievement. Discipline is the bridge between who you are and who you want to become. Success is not one big moment. It's the accumulation of small, consistent, intentional decisions made every single day. Jim Rohn believed that discipline weighs ounces, while regret weighs tons, and this simple truth shapes the entire trajectory of a person's life. Discipline is uncomfortable in the moment, but regret is painful for years. When you choose discipline, you may sacrifice a little comfort, a little ease, a little convenience, but what you gain in return is a sense of pride, strength, and momentum. Discipline creates identity. Every time you follow through on a small promise, waking up earlier, exercising, practicing gratitude, reading 20 minutes a day, you are casting a vote for the kind of person you want to become. These small habits, seemingly insignificant in the moment, compound over time and begin to shape your character, your confidence, and your future. People often think success comes from massive breakthroughs or lucky opportunities, but it is built quietly, behind the scenes, in the everyday choices that nobody sees. The decision to eat healthy instead of impulsively, the decision to learn instead of procrastinate, the decision to work instead of complain, the decision to build instead of blame. Each disciplined action becomes a stepping stone that moves you further away from the life you want to escape and closer to the life you want to create. Without discipline, dreams remain fantasies. With discipline, even the most impossible goals become inevitable. Discipline also creates freedom. It frees you from chaos, inconsistency, and emotional impulsiveness. It frees you from being controlled by circumstances, cravings, moods, and excuses. When you develop discipline, you gain control over your time, your energy, and your direction. You stop waiting for motivation because discipline becomes stronger than mood. You stop waiting for the perfect moment because discipline creates momentum. You stop depending on inspiration because discipline produces results regardless of how you feel. Over time, disciplined actions become habits, habits become routines, routines become lifestyle, and lifestyle becomes destiny. Discipline is a choice, but once repeated, it becomes automatic, and once automatic, it becomes power. While most people underestimate the value of small, consistent actions, disciplined individuals understand that simple daily improvements, 1% each day, lead to transformations that seem miraculous later. The person who reads a few pages a day becomes the knowledgeable expert. The person who saves a little each week becomes financially secure. The person who trains daily becomes physically strong. The person who disciplines their mind becomes mentally unshakable. Success, therefore, is not an event. It is a series of consistent, disciplined decisions. Small habits create big futures, and every disciplined choice you make is a brick in the foundation of the life you're building. 3. Learning and growing daily. Learning is the engine of transformation, and growth is the fuel that drives it forward. Jim Rohn taught that formal education can make you a living, but self-education can make you a fortune. What he meant is that while traditional education equips you with basic tools to function in society, it is the learning you pursue voluntarily, the books you read, the mentors you follow, the skills you build, the wisdom you seek, that shapes your future in extraordinary ways. Growth is not automatic, it is intentional. You do not become better simply by getting older or going through years of routine. Improvement requires curiosity, humility, and constant effort. To grow, you must feed your mind deliberately, because an unfed mind becomes stagnant, limited, and easily discouraged. When you expose yourself to new ideas, new perspectives, and new knowledge, you expand the possibilities available to you. You begin to think differently, solve problems differently, and approach life differently. Reading books introduces you to decades of experience poured into a few hundred pages. Listening to mentors gives you insights that would take years to learn alone. Studying people who have already achieved what you desire accelerates your progress because success leaves clues, patterns you can study, adapt, and apply. When you grow, you outgrow your old limitations. The beliefs that once held you back lose their power because you now see beyond them. The habits that once sabotaged you dissolve because you develop stronger ones. The fears that once controlled you weaken because knowledge gives you clarity, and clarity gives you courage. Growth makes you resilient, adaptable, and capable. It builds confidence because confidence comes from competence. The more you know and the more you improve, the more certain you feel about your ability to achieve your goals. Learning must become a lifestyle, not a luxury. Most people stop learning after school, not realizing that life rewards those who continue to grow. In a world that changes rapidly, the people who thrive are those who stay curious, who stay teachable, who invest in their personal development. Every day, your mind is either expanding or shrinking, evolving or decaying. You can fill it with negativity, distraction, and entertainment, or you can fill it with ideas, knowledge, and wisdom that elevate your thinking and your life. Imagine reading just 20 minutes a day, listening to one meaningful podcast per week, studying one powerful book each month, or seeking advice from a mentor every time you hit a roadblock. Over a year, these small investments create monumental returns, new opportunities, new skills, new levels of self-belief. Your future grows as you grow. Your income grows as your skills grow. Your relationships grow as your emotional intelligence grows. Your confidence grows as your knowledge grows. Growth is the greatest gift you can give yourself because it transforms everything else. Becoming a lifelong learner is not only a path to success, it is the path to becoming your best self. 4. The importance of your environment. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. It's a line people repeat often, but few truly understand the depth of its meaning. Your environment is not just the physical space you live in, but the emotional, mental, and energetic atmosphere you expose yourself to every single day. Every conversation you have, every behavior you observe, every mindset you absorb from others becomes part of the blueprint shaping your future. Spend enough time around complainers and you will start speaking their language. Spend enough time around dreamers and you will begin to adopt their vision. Human beings are profoundly influenced by proximity. We mirror attitudes, energy levels, confidence, ambition, and even belief systems. That is why Jim Rohn emphasized surrounding yourself with people who lift you higher, not drag you down. When you choose to stay in an environment filled with excuses, negativity, and low expectations, your goals eventually shrink to match the limitations around you. But when you intentionally surround yourself with people who demand more of themselves, you naturally start demanding more of your own life. An inspiring environment fuels ambition. A draining environment suffocates it. Think about a plant. It doesn't matter how strong the seed is. If the soil is toxic, the plant cannot thrive. People are the same. Your environment silently influences your motivation, your confidence, your discipline, your creativity, and even your self-worth. Being around people who think bigger expands your imagination. Being around people who hold high standards raises yours. Being around people who take action pushes you to stop procrastinating. A powerful environment doesn't just change how you feel, it changes what you believe is possible. Imagine spending time with people who talk about ideas, solutions, growth, investments, health, self-improvement, and purpose. Now imagine spending time with people who only talk about gossip, fear, problems, and limitations. One of these environments will elevate you. The other will slowly poison your potential. You must choose intentionally. Evaluate your circle with honesty. Who drains you? Who inspires you? Who challenges you to grow? Who encourages excuses? Who celebrates your success instead of secretly resenting it? Your environment is either your hidden advantage or your silent obstacle. If you want to change your life, you must first change the influences shaping your thoughts. Upgrade your circle. Seek mentors, even from a distance. Follow people who motivate you. Join groups that push your thinking. Have conversations that stretch your understanding. Surround yourself with people who act like the person you want to become. A strong environment does not just inspire you, it rewires you. And when your environment changes, your energy changes. When your energy changes, your decisions change. And when your decisions change, your entire future changes. Choose your environment with intention, because whether you realize it or not, it is sculpting your destiny every single day. 5. Taking responsibility for your future. One of Jim Rohn's greatest lessons is simple yet life-altering. You must take full responsibility for your life, not partial responsibility, not conditional responsibility, full responsibility. This means letting go of the need to blame your parents, your past, your job, your partner, the economy, your upbringing, or the circumstances you were born into. It means understanding that while you may not be responsible for the challenges you inherited, you are responsible for how you respond to them. Responsibility does not mean guilt, it means power. When you blame circumstances, you surrender control. When you accept responsibility, you reclaim the steering wheel of your life. Every habit you practice, every thought you feed, every choice you make, every standard you uphold, these are the building blocks of your future. If your life is not where you want it to be, the first step is acknowledging that you have the power to change it. Responsibility forces you to look inward instead of outward. It turns you from a victim of life into the creator of life. And once you understand that your direction is determined by your decisions, everything shifts. You stop waiting for opportunities and start creating them. You stop hoping for luck and start building skill. You stop envying others and start working on yourself. You stop complaining and start taking action. Jim Rohn taught that life responds to responsibility. The more you take, the more it gives. This principle affects every area of your life. Your health improves when you take responsibility for your routines. Your finances improve when you take responsibility for your spending and earning habits. Your relationships improve when you take responsibility for your communication and emotional growth. And your mindset improves when you take responsibility for the thoughts you allow to live in your head. Responsibility is freedom disguised as discipline. It might feel heavy at first because it requires honesty, self-awareness, and courage. But once you embrace it fully, you begin to see that you hold the power to rewrite your story at any moment. The past becomes a reference, not a prison. The future becomes a canvas, not a mystery, and today becomes a tool, not a trap. The greatest transformation begins the moment you stop waiting for someone else to fix your life and decide, "It's on me." Because your future is not determined by your circumstances, it is determined by your choices, and you can choose differently starting right now. That is the true meaning of responsibility, the moment you accept that you are the author of the next chapter. And if you don't like how the story has been going, then today is your chance to pick up the pen and begin writing a better ending. Success isn't complicated, it's intentional. Let Jim Rohn's timeless principles guide your steps. Shape your philosophy, practice discipline, grow daily, choose the right environment, and take responsibility for your life. If you apply these ideas, your future won't just improve, it will transform. Thank you for watching, and remember, life doesn't get better by chance, it gets better by change.